Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the RX start speed on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, let's head over to the menu, and now in the menu, let's go to function settings. Here we will have something called receive and forward. Now let's go to fax settings. And here we will have the RX start speed. So we can change it from 2400 to 33,600 bps. So I always keep it at max. It's basically my preference. I've used this for a while now and I think that's pretty great. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.